Understanding the phrase, "That tore me up," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, "That tore me up." This phrase is a great example of how English speakers often use metaphors to express emotions. Understanding such phrases will not only enhance your English skills but also help you connect more deeply with the language and its speakers. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of "that tore me up." The phrase, "that tore me up," is a metaphorical expression. In literal terms, to tear up something means to rip it into pieces. However, when used in this context, it doesn't refer to physical tearing. Instead, it means that something deeply affected or upset the speaker, often in a negative way. It could be a result of a sad, painful, or emotionally challenging situation. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. After watching the emotional movie, "That tore me up." Here, the speaker was deeply moved or saddened by the movie. 2. Hearing about the accident, "That really tore me up." In this case, the news of the accident caused the speaker great distress or sorrow. Notice how the phrase is often used to express a strong emotional reaction, particularly sadness or distress. There are several other phrases in English that convey similar feelings. Some of these include, "That broke my heart," "That upset me deeply," "I was really moved by that." Understanding these synonyms can help you express the same emotion in different ways, adding variety to your English communication. This phrase is quite common in everyday English conversation. It's used to express empathy or to share personal emotional experiences. When you use this phrase, it's important to match your tone and facial expressions to the sentiment being expressed, as it often conveys a strong emotional impact. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "That tore me up," and how to use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning such expressions will not only help you in understanding English better but also in expressing your emotions more vividly. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.